Assalamu alaikum. My name is Abdul Hakim from JKG. My school name is Time Litigation Higher Secondary School. It is a beautiful place where I learn and be happy. My teachers are kind and caring. They teach me good manners and help me learn new things every day. I have many friends here. I am proud to be a student of my school. I love my school very much. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Moulavi. I am the secretary of our school. I do this to school safe. Welcome a smile. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum children. Are you live by exercise? Are you live by exercise? Yeah, we are ready, master. Exercise? Yes, it be. One. One. Two. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah. Assalamualaikum surah. Are you ready for exercise? Are you ready for exercise? We are ready, master. Yes, it's a big.
Start.
One.
2. Mic and
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good morning. What kind of book are you looking for today? I like storybook with pictures, please. Yes, ma'am. It's very interesting and fun to read. Thank you. I'll link that after reading. Thank you. Welcome. Good morning. How are you feeling today? Feeling better. I'm not
feeling well, doctor.
feeling better. A patient look tired, doctor. Let me check. You will be better soon. Okay. Thank you, Tata. Thank you. Good morning. How is today? That will be 50 days. Good morning. How may be today? Good morning. How may I today? Good morning. I want share para chocolate packet chips. That will be 50 rupees. Welcome. Thank you. Second. Welcome. Thank you. Good morning. How are you today? Good morning. I want a para chocolate packet chips. That will be 50 rupees. Hello. This again. Thank you. Well, again. Thank you. Allah Akbar. Isla Enama Idai Alando Ilai Nabil Alimin Arahman Ilai Maliki Biddi Diyaka Nambodu Wayaka Ahtai Edinas Siratal Ustai Tina Alanda Alege Daira Walubi Alege Olala Amin. Assalamualaikum.
Walaikum salam.
Welcome to our school. How may I assist you?
I have to come to inquire about your school fees.
Yes, accountant.
Please give me the fees.
Please give the fee card.
Here it is.
Thank you. Assalamualaikum.
Walaikum salam.
Welcome to our school. How may I assist you?
I have to come to inquire about the school fees.
Yes, accountant. Please give the fee card.
Here it is.
Yes, well, ma'am. No.
Thank you.
Rebel, ma'am.
Thank you. Welcome.
Welcome. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Mohammad Akil. I am the principal of our school. I guide and teachers and students to do their and best and make our school shine. Thank you. Assalamualaikum. I am Afra Fatima, coordinator of our school. If you have any queries, please feel free to meet me. Thank you. Assalamualaikum students. Hello everyone. I am Haja. I'm a class teacher of the class. We are learning the bus ABC song. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, L, M, N, O, P, T,